Okay, I'm going to go over the examples today in the dimensional analysis PowerPoint. And so the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to do slide 5 for you. And that's the one with the little monster. So step 1, when we're doing these problems, we write down what we start with. So we're starting with 3, and I know I'm not spelling it right. 3 Piccadillys, whatever that is. And then step 2, what we want to end up with is dingbats. And so the PowerPoint gives me step 3, where it says 1, and I'm just going to use P for Piccadilly, equals 0.5 mopers, like some of y'all are probably doing right now. 3 hedgehogs, and I'll just say H for hedgehogs, equals 1 dingbat, that'll be dB, not decimal. 8 boopers equals 1 hedgehog, and 5 mopers equals 4 boopers. Okay, so that's step 3 is writing all the conversion factors. Okay, and oh, that's right, this doesn't move up, does it?
Yeah, it does. It does.
That's okay.
Mama. No. Right forward?
Mm-hmm.
Wait. So you have to click check, and then you can move down.
Okay.
And then you just click the pin again.
Okay. All right, so she just showed me how to do that, so maybe I'll remember the next time. Doubt it, but you never know. So I'm starting off with 3 Piccadillys, okay? So the first conversion factor, I want to get rid of the Piccadilly, or Piccadilly, I don't know what it's called.
Piccadilly?
0.5 mopers. Okay, so that gets rid of the P's. Now, like I can see, I have 5M equals 4 boopers. The M's cancel out. And some of your worksheets are going to have these crazy names to it also. 1 hedgehog equals 8 boopers, so that cancels the B's out. And then one dingbat is 3 hedgehogs.
Dingbat.
So the hedgehogs cancel out. So when I'm writing it, I get 0.05 dingbats. And that fits my significant figure, because the largest significant figure is this, 1. See, there is the small sig. So my answer has to be in 1/6. So that's slide 5. Okay? Let me erase this. Worked earlier. Whoa.
Okay. So we're not gonna show anyone my screen. You can use 2 fingers at once. Okay, just
Don't worry about it. Go.
okay.
She's bothering me again, you guys. You know how that, all that gray hair of mine. All right.
Oh, that's for my brothers.
So number 6 is very similar. Okay. So when I work it out, we're gonna start. We want diamonds. We want diamonds to ovals.
Whoa. The camera went that way.
Okay. So to get there, I have 25 diamonds. Okay. And then I have 2 squares equals 4 diamonds. I know y'all are impressed with my drawing here. 7 triangles over 5 squares. So that cancels out the squares. The diamonds are canceled out. That's a 7. 12 circles. And 8 triangles. Sorry, I'm so used to using multiplication. And then 6 ovals for 4 circles. Circles cancel out, triangles cancel out, so all I'm left with is ovals. So when I do the math, I get 39.375 ovals. So, but that's not in sig figs. So if I'm looking at this, this is the significant figure right here, that 3. And remember, we either round it up or round it down. So if this is a 9, that means we're going to round it up to 40. Okay, so that's the answer for slide 6. And then they walk you through the steps of the other. Okay, they walk you through it. I'm going to do the other examples that they give you that they don't walk you through. So if you want to follow along, go to slide 15. And I was actually smart this time, and I wrote it out. All right.
Okay, can we restart the video?
All right. So we're doing slide 15. So step 1. And remember, this is a learning process, so y'all can laugh. I can't hear you, so laugh away. Okay, I'm starting with miles. Not you, miles. Miles per, well, maybe, there we go. And then step 2, I'm going to kilometers per day. And then step 3, I know that 1 kilometer, so 1 kilometer equals 0.62137. Okay? Oh, good. Lily found me a stylus. Maybe she's useful after all. All right. So, and then we have 1 day equals 24 hours. All right. So, oops, forgot to do that. So when I'm putting it into the formula here, right with that, I'm going to go, we start off with 60 miles per hour. Okay. And 1 kilometer equals 0.62137 miles. So that crosses out the miles. Okay, then I'm going to go 24 hours in a day. That's 1 day. So hours cancel out, not day. Let me write that over. Okay, so the hours cancel out, and if I come down up there, I'm supposed to get the kilometers per day. I get 2317.46. I put it in sig figs. That's 2,000 kilometers per day. Okay, those are zeros, y'all. Y'all know. There we go. 2,000 kilometers per day. So that's the answer to slide 15. Start out with miles per hour. Go to kilometers to miles, keep crossing out till I get the units that I want to. So, let's go to slide 16. Oh, wow. I thought I erased all that. Guess not. Whee!
Don't mess up my computer.
Alright, so let's do slide 16. Slide 16, step 1, we start off with 0.045 grams per liter. Step 2, we want ounces to fluid ounces. Okay, step 3, I got 1 gram equals 0.035 ounces. I've got 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. And then I have 1 fluid ounce equals 29.57 milliliters. Okay, so these are the conversion factors that I'm going to use to solve this problem. So let me move this up. There we go. So when I write it out, and I need to really erase this because I know the lines are bothering you all that are type A. Okay, so when I write this out, I have 0.45 grams per liter. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, so the liters cancel out. Then I know that 29.57 milliliters equals 1 fluid ounce. Milliliters cancel out. So I've got the number correct in the denominator. Now I need to get rid of the numerator. So I know that 0.035 ounces equals 1 gram. And so the grams cancel out. And then I'm left, if I look back, I have ounces over fluid ounces. And I get this big long number. But we know that it's got to be in sig figs. So remember, these zeros are, all 4 of those zeros are insignificant. And so that's the answer. Okay? 0.0005 ounces per fluid ounces. Okay, so that's slide 16. I hate this eraser. It doesn't work as good as the smartboard. Hey, clear canvas. Imagine that. I figured something out. All about my little self. All right. So, step 1 for slide 17. We're going to start with 95.2 kilometers squared. Step 2, we want to get to miles squared. Step 3, remember, we're going to write the conversion factors in step 3. So here is my conversion factor. So when I line it up, I get 95.2 kilometers squared, and kilometers squared cancel out. And we get, after significant figures, you should get 40 miles squared. Okay, that should be your answer because we have 1 sig fig there. So our answer has to be with 1 significant figure. All right, so let me go back. We'll do one more and then we'll call it a night. We'll do slide 18. So, let's do it again. Lily, you are taping the screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. Press the pin. Okay, so step 1, cubic meter per second. Step 2, I have cubic feet per minute. Step 3, I'm going to write my conversion factors. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. And then 1 cubic meter equals 35.3147 cubic feet. So, when I'm writing this out, those are the conversion factors that I'm using. So I write 35.7 cubic meters. That's what we're starting with. And it's seconds. Okay. So I'm going to do 35.3147 cubic feet per meter cube, or cubic meter is the proper term. And then I have 60 seconds per 1 minute. So, dagnabbit, I did it again. Okay. All right, 1 minute. So the seconds cancel out. And when I do my sig figs, the answer is 80,000 cubic feet per line any minute. Okay, remember to try and do your answers in sig figs so we can prepare ourselves for physics. So that takes care of the slides. So essentially what you're doing is you do step 1, you write down what you start with. Step 2, you write where you want to go. Step 3, you write all the conversion factors that can help you get there. And then, so we could call this one actually, it's not really called that, but I'll make this up. Step 4, we're plugging and chugging. Okay? And remember your answers should be in sig figs. If you're still having questions, let me know. Also, on the worksheet that I assigned today, I have posted 2 examples. Do let me know, and I'm working on a lab for y'all, something fun for y'all to do. And last but
Not least. Do the blue one. Do the blue one. No, the blue one. Yeah.
I miss you all very much. Stay safe with your family. If you're having some technology issues, contact the technology department. They are working, and they were able to fix my computer at home. Mr. Teal just got on my computer from over there and fixed it for me remotely. So I appreciate y'all, those that joined me this morning for my dry run Google Meet. I am getting better and better. Hopefully this will help you. Hope you have a great evening. See you soon. Bye.